In this video, I'll show you how to stream Sling TV in 4K, so you can enjoy Sling TV in a stunning resolution, because what is better than 4K? Well, 8K, but that doesn't matter. Step 1 is to check your device for 4K support. Ensure that your streaming device, your TV, your Roku device, your Apple TV, your Fire Stick, doesn't matter, supports 4K. Verify that you have a 4K compatible TV and HDMI 2.0 or higher cable. Step 2. Subscribe to the 4K plan. Make sure your Sling TV plan includes 4K streaming. Upgrade to the appropriate plan if that is necessary. Step 3 is to enjoy Sling TV in 4K. You can now start streaming any 4K compatible content on Sling TV. Ensure that you have a strong internet connection, at least 25 Mbps. Otherwise, it will be very laggy, and you don't want that. So that's why I watch Sling TV on your 4K. With 4K, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.